Go get some snacks for the flight. I guess that's our bus rides to the airport. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. Well, our time is up here in Sydney. Had a great time. So now we're gonna take a 45-minute bus ride to the airport, then a 15 or less flight to Los Angeles, California. We got a little layover there for a couple hours, and then it's about a 5.5-hour flight to Washington, D.C. Well, we're at the Sydney International Airport here at the American Airlines check-in. We have about a half an hour before the ticket line opens up. There's only a 15-minute bus ride from the hotel to the airport, unlike last week when there was about an hour ride from the airport to the hotel. See you later, Sydney. I had a great time. We got our ticket. Now we're gonna head through customs and onto the plane.
Stand on the seat and look at the screen. Please read.
Okay, we made it through immigrations and customs, and now it's on to the gate. There's our plane over there, 787-900. All right, we had to go through another security check, but we're ready to go now. Oh, now the fun part. Well, at least we got a window seat. 31A, 31A.
Nice hat. Did you buy that here?
Yes, I did. All right, we're in the back here. 31A, that's our seat. We'll stay away from it.
I'll still stay away. Just an update. We're waiting for a push tug. Apparently they only have one tug that operates on this one ramp.
Our flying time to Los Angeles will be 13 hours and 15 minutes, cruising an altitude of 35,000 feet.
we made it to LA. Let's check our flight time. I think it was about 13 hours and 15 minutes from Sydney across the Pacific into Los Angeles, California. Goodbye. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, 13 hours. This plane is a mess.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
You got a new
you.
hat there. You like it?
New height. Morning. Thanks. All right. On to customs. Oh, the fun part. And now we gotta do our customs check. We just went through customs and border security. Now we go pick up our bag. And then take that over to American and then off to Washington, D.C. There's one bag. Walk, walk, and more walking. So far it hadn't been too bad actually.
Hello.
American?
Leave your bag on the floor, then exit right here.
Thanks guys. All right, our bags are going on the plane. American?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, let's continue the 5-mile trek. Okay, let's continue our adventure. Going back through security again. 46C. There we go again. Last flight into Washington Dulles. Hey, how you doing? How are you? I'm good. How you doing? Thanks.
U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew members.
Well, we are back home in Washington, D.C. Well, let's hurry up and wait for our bags. Well, this 8-day adventure to Sydney, Australia has finally come to an end. I had a great time seeing the Opera House. I caught a show there, the zoo, the Blue Mountains, ate a lot of food, met a lot of great people and all that. As that guy behind me is seeing what I'm doing, which is probably nothing. But from Sydney to Los Angeles, it was 13 hours and 15 minutes. Then I waited probably about an hour for my next flight here into Washington, D.C., which was 5.5 hours. So I'm gonna go home now and get some much needed rest. And on that note, thanks for joining. Traveler out.